In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a musician or artist website using Wix. Whether you're a singer, a band, or a solo artist, having an online presence is crucial in today's digital world. A website can serve as your digital business card, a portfolio of your work, and even a platform to engage with your fans. Let's dive into the process and get your site up and running. The first thing you need to do is determine if you want to use a pre-designed template or start from scratch. Wix offers a variety of templates geared specifically for musicians, singers, and bands. These templates are expertly crafted to include many of the layouts and pages you might already need. To start, you'll want to browse through the Music, Singer, Artist, Band templates in Wix. As you explore these options, pay attention to the ones that really resonate with your brand style or the message you want to convey through your music. Take note of templates that feature elements you might find useful, like galleries for your artwork or sections that highlight your latest music releases, gigs, or video performances. On the other hand, if you're someone who has a very clear vision for how you want your site to look and function, and you'd like to maintain complete creative control, you might consider starting with a blank template. This option provides you with a blank canvas where you can adjust every detail to fit your artistic vision. This is an excellent choice if you're comfortable with web design and want a site that's unique to you. Choosing a template essentially sets the tone for your entire website, so take your time with this decision. Remember, the goal here is to pick a design that not only looks good, but is also easy to navigate for your visitors. Once you've made your choice, you'll be taken into the Wix editor, where you can begin customizing to your heart's content. You'll be able to add your music tracks, showcase images, include videos, and even link your social media accounts to create a cohesive brand image. Whatever path you choose, pre-designed templates or a blank slate, this decision is the foundation on which your site will be built. Think about the structure and the kind of interaction you want to create with your audience. The right template will help tell your story, entertain your visitors, and potentially turn them into fans. So take that personal style, harness the features that Wix offers, and create a special place on the internet just for your music. Get ready to connect with your audience like never before.